Today we have an exciting project lined up for you. We're going to learn how to draw a majestic cruise ship. Begin by drawing a long, slightly curved horizontal line near the bottom of your paper. This will be the water line where the ship sits. Above this line, draw a curved line, then draw a small line. Now draw a long curved line. Now draw some more curved lines. Let's draw some more curved lines to add details to the ship. Now draw a vertical line. Then draw a curve and bring this lines downward. Then draw a horizontal line. Now draw multiple small square shapes to represent the windows of ship. Now draw a horizontal line, then draw a small vertical line with it. Now draw two more horizontal lines. Now draw multiple small square shapes. Now draw a horizontal line, then connect a vertical line with it. Now again, draw a multiple square shape. Now draw a small vertical line, then draw a curve, then draw a long horizontal line with it. Now draw one more long curved line. Then draw a long curved line. Now, draw a long rectangular shape. Then draw multiple small horizontal lines in it. Now draw two more long curved lines. Then draw multiple small vertical lines in it. Near the upper deck, draw vertical curved lines extending upwards. This will be the ship's funnel or smokestack. Add curved lines at the top of the funnel to give it a more realistic shape. Go over your drawing with a darker pencil or pen to enhance the outlines and details. If you want, add some color to your drawing using colored pencils or markers. Use shades of blue for the water and various colors for the ship. Feel free to add your own creative touches or background elements to make your drawing unique.